Positive, sincerity among the members, good members, many failures. Negative, dress code during weddings. Assault sometimes, and shouting, and sometimes impatient. C, no follow-up catechesis for the graders, and also abroad. Sometimes favoritism. Another is some members undisciplined. Number 3. Ano ang iyong may papayo sa parokya? General retreat for the parish during Lent and Advent. Number 4. Ano ba ang naasahan ng parokya sa akin? Commitment among the members, sincerity, and also service. B is the Pacific Valor. Guide them.